Lads, could you come open the door for me? I've got camera and handful. Hello, Chewy. Hello, boy. Who's a boy? You're a boy on a boy. You're a boy. Hello, mate. Hello, doggy. Hello. I'm fantastic. It's nice. I like it to come here when you're here, and you get your creative juices, get my creative juices. Well, take that back. Take that back. That sounds kind of fruity. Sounds a bit fruity. You got a rusty juice. Cheers. You got a rusty juice. I got Nan a little flower. Look, you took a tidy. Look at the tidy. Oh, look at the nice tidy workspace on the boy. What is that?
Organised it.
Oh, the weldy bits. Oh, mate, we haven't even actually recorded this, but Ross bought this absolute ridiculous spacecraft of a machine. I don't even know what the hell, how to even turn it on. But yeah, and that's all the little weldy tips and bits and pieces, tungsten boys.
Nips and trips.
That's very nice. That is a pleasure to look at. Nice little organised situation. But yeah, we'll have to do a separate video on how absolutely mental this machine is, because
maybe when we work out how to half use it.
We need a friend. We need a local friend in South London somewhere. If you are local in South London and you know how to operate ridiculous welding machinery like this, come give us a hand, because he somehow got it going. He's got it going, but I don't need to like, what? Too many knobs. That's what she said. Give me a little update. What you've been sideproject.com. Sideproject.com. You got the motor. That's that motor you were telling me about. Whoa, that feels real chunky inside. Oh yeah, that's got some magnets in there, Mark. Alright, so what are you thinking? Speed controller? Just roughly, just mocking it up, something like that. Get that on that, and get it with that, and something there, with the. First thing we need to solve is we need this sprocket, which is the original motorbike sprocket, to be mounted to the electric motor. So our idea is to literally, because this has got a keyway in it to mount to the shaft of the electric motor, to literally just get that all centered nicely and then weld that to that, and boom, that's it. You flippity flop. You'd think it was so simple to make a hole in something, but no, it's never that simple. Look at this contraption. What's even going on? No one even knows. We'll get back to it when there's a hole there. Whilst he's having a little struggly boy, I'm gonna get back to this and carry on this and this. I'm making myself a little flat edge to make my next bend on here, and the rest is ready to do some weldy boys. And this is what I'm saying about the new welding machine. He somehow dialed in the settings and somehow got it going. It's so nice and quiet. It's such a nice welding process. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at that. That is a nice little weldy boy. It's like so quiet and peaceful and nice. What do you think, Chewy? What do you think?
I like turtles.
Stop looking at it. The dog's probably blind already. What's up, Chewy? Bloop, bloop, bloop. I've been trying to bend this piece of metal, and working with this thickness metal, there's a whole new realm of ag that comes with it. Bending this, you'd think, oh yeah, just gonna flip it flat. Nope, so hard to bend. So I've got this whole situation rigged up here with this nice chunky boy, and I'm trying to bend this over, and it's not the easiest of tasks. Metal break one day, but if anyone's got any like tips on trying to like bend thick boy stuff, let me know how to bend fake boy stuff. It's a bit of a struggling one, but yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. Come on, now. What do we think? Do we think or do we not think? Okay. So yeah, the funny thing was to work out where I need to make this bend, because this plane here is where all of this stuff, it's all gonna meet up in this plane. Everything is gonna get welded to this flat face. This is gonna get extended down, this is gonna get extended down, the outer seal is gonna lip down here and extend down. That's not bad, mate. That is not bad, mate. That's not bad. So this is what we have so far, right? So we've got that. But now I need this section of it to come in to meet up with this bit, because this kind of it goes flat here and then it just sort of, and then it needs to tuck in to meet up with this bit. I need to take this corner out here. If I take this little corner out, and then this will come in, and then I'll trim this edge to meet up with this edge. Yeah, that's the next thing. God. Okay, one of the things I find incredibly helpful whilst filming all of this is actually talking my way through what I'm doing. Me actually vocalizing what's going on in my head is helping me to work out what I'm actually doing. I find it that I struggle more when I'm not filming, because I'm just kind of staring at it and it's really taking me ages to process what I'm looking at. When I'm filming, I walk myself through the process of doing what's in my head, and I say out loud, and then it just kind of registers in my head in a different way. A very helpful little process. Yeah, this is what I'm saying here. This, I'm gonna trim that to line up with that over there, then make a little radius cut here to make it look all nice and pretty. Trim that off, widen this section here. Yeah, it's coming together. We are gonna do a quick little update on, what are you calling this thing? It needs a name. Cyberbike?
Cyberbike.
Cyberbike, I don't know. Alright, we'll pencil it in. We'll pencil it in for now. Update on the Cyberbike.
Tier 4 track.
Tier 4 Cyberbike. This is how you get away from Boris. So yeah, right now, just trying to, this is proof of concept. Just getting it all put together, everything easily removable. Just to make sure everything works. Shout out to Darren for supplying us with batteries. He puts together these kits of lithium batteries, and he does a really nice job. All with instructions, all types of goodness. So yeah, really nice. That's I'm gonna power that, and at the moment it's all just being like randomly welded using random whatever's laying around, just to line it up, get it powered up, and see if it all works and see how fast it is, if the gearing is okay, work out what needs to happen with just all the everything. Chewy, what do you think of Elon Musk?
I don't watch the news because I'm a kid.
Okay, after some finagling. Oh my god, that's actually terrifying. That's better, still terrifying though. I need to make this section here wider, so I'm going to cut that off here, and then this line here I want to make parallel to this edge to give myself more surface area on the end here. That's where all the floor panels are going to be welded to. Just like I did here, I will make a cut along the edge and then just bend out this lip slightly and then create a little triangle piece that then I'm gonna weld into here. It's slowly taking shape, and I feel pretty good about it. Okay, that will do for a minute. Quite happy with the progress. We'll call it a day. We'll call it the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on struggling, and I'll see you in the next one.